So what is up mga ka-tech shop, no? For today's
Nice.
video mga ka-tech shop, I just completed installing Windows 11 on my computer, and I'm gonna show you how to bypass creating a user profile on Windows 11. Normally Windows 11 will ask you a Microsoft account, and if you don't have a Microsoft account, there is other way to create a profile. So by following the steps, you will be able to create a user profile. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Let's go. So we'll need to pull up a command prompt, mga ka-tech. To pull up a command prompt, press Shift and F10 on the keyboard. And it's gonna pull up the command prompt and type in the following command: OOBE/bypass NRO. Alright. The computer will restart after entering the command, and just wait for it. After the restart, you need to pull up the command prompt again. So press Shift and F10 and then type in ipconfig/release. And then after that, you can proceed on creating a new user profile. Alright, so if you're interested in this kind of video, don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Let's go.